Proportional Relationships Worksheet, questions 7 through 9. Write each equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So in other words, we want to solve for y. We want to isolate the y. That is why on each problem 7 through 9, I boxed my y term with the sign in front of it. So I'm going to solve it just like I would any other two-step equations. I'm going to start by taking the x term, in other words, the number outside of the box, to the other side of the equation. Since it's a positive 12x, I'm going to subtract 12x from both sides. Don't forget to take the x with it. It's not just negative 12, it's negative 12x. Well, so that allows me to cancel these. Bring down my negative 3y. Bring down the equal sign. Since it's 0 minus 12x, I'm just going to bring down negative 12x. If it wasn't a 0, it'd be a different story, but 0 minus 12x is going to be negative 12x. To isolate the y, I need to divide both sides by negative 3. The 3's would cancel. Y equals negative 12 divided by negative 3 would be positive 4, and don't forget the x. The biggest place people make mistakes here is they forget the x in the answer. Y equals 4x. Okay, let's go to number 9. Same exact steps. I boxed my y term because I want to isolate the y. I'm going to start by taking the x term to the right. Since it's a positive 9x, I subtract it. Cancel the x terms on the left side. Bring down my negative 12y. Bring down the negative 9x, because once again, because it's 0 minus 9x, it's just going to be negative 9x. To isolate the y, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 12. So y equals, I already have it in the calculator. So negative 9 over negative 12, I want it as a fraction, that would be positive 3/4. So for number 9, y equals 3/4 x. So notice for both 7 and 9, the y is on the left side of the answer and the x is on the right side. And yes, there is an x in the answer. Don't forget that x. Number 8, you're on your own. The only thing I'm going to give you a little hint is that's a negative 24x that you need to take to the other side. Let me zoom in. So the opposite of negative 24 would be positive 24x. The rest of that, you're on your own. If you have any questions on 7 through 9, please do not hesitate to ask.